There are different ways of monetizing YouTube videos without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Like affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, sponsored or brand post, and building a funnel to sell your own products. I am going to show you a completely different way of monetizing YouTube videos apart from the ones mentioned earlier. What is the first struggle for new and small YouTubers who want to make money from their channel? Getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? In this video I am going to show you a way on how to monetize YouTube videos without having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. To be able to achieve this, we are going to use a website called webtalk. So what is webtalk? Webtalk is the world's first all-in-one social and relationship management platform similar to Facebook and LinkedIn that pays its users 50% of its revenue. You can add friends, share photos, send messages, etc. Everything you do on social media is in webtalk. Webtalk pays real cash dollars for your engagement. Webtalk generates revenue from affiliates, swag store, self-service ad platform, Webtalk stores, Webtalk classified, pro package upgrades, and ad revenues when ads are consumed by users. Consumption is originated when a user view, ad impression, or click on the ad he/she sees when surfing on Webtalk. You can only join Webtalk if you are invited. So click on the link in the description below. You will be directed to this page, click Get Started, and on the next page fill in your details. Confirm your email and log into Webtalk. Open YouTube. Click on your channel icon. Select your channel. Click Videos. Click on the three dot and share. Copy link. To monetize your YouTube video, you have to create a new post on Webtalk. Click on video, then you have to paste in the link you copied from YouTube. Click on the arrow, it helps load your video. Include a description or a call to action to motivate more people to watch your video. I already have a written call to action, so I will just paste it from the clipboard. You can post it to these different social media platforms all at the same time. You can post it to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and also Slack. Connect them with Webtalk and you are good to go. That's one of its cool features. It helps to include some hashtags so your video can be discovered more easily. So I will add a resume hashtag, and hashtag for resume review, for that's what the video is all about. Click on post and it goes live. The posts have been uploaded. One major advantage of Webtalk to a YouTuber is, people will be able to watch the video without having to leaving Webtalk since it is embedded. These views count towards achieving your 4,000 watch hours for monetizing your channel through AdSense. Viewers will be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel by clicking on your channel icon and subscribing right away. Well, that's if they are logged in on that device anyway. I am already subscribed to this channel. There are 6 different ways to earn on Webtalk. 1. Content creators. Earn up to 10% of the ad revenue generated from the content you share. 2. Content consumers. Earn up to 10% of the ad revenue from the content you consume, including newsfeed posts, profiles, and other web talk pages with ads. 3. Referral rewards. Invite people you know to join WebTalk and earn up to 10% of the revenue they generate. 4. Influencer and affiliate program. Earn 10% of the revenue generated from the members who joined as a result of your online advertising and marketing efforts. 5. Opportunity. Limited 5-level bonus opportunity, paying 10% revenue share through 5 levels of referrals for those who want to build WebTalk marketing teams. 6. Sign-up bonuses. Earn $5 when you enroll in WebTalk Rewards New. Earn $5 when one of your WebTalk referrals enrolls in WebTalk Rewards New. Earn $5 per WebTalk Rewards member referral through 5 levels when you earn the 5-level bonus. This is WebTalk Affiliate Rewards Dashboard. I currently have 4 cents, which is accumulative. For you to earn more, you need to engage more, have followers, and get people to your referral network. A major advantage of WebTalk to already monetized channel is they will be able to increase their CPM as people from Tier 1 countries like Australia, Denmark, and the US will be watching their videos. Here are some proof that WebTalk pays its users. This is basically instant monetization for YouTube videos. If you sign up with my link, I will reach out to you and give you the support to start monetizing YouTube videos with WebTalk. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe and share with your YouTuber friends.